So I've just arrived at our location in the beautiful Blue Mountains just outside of Sydney. It's our first bird walk for the year, so it's actually the 1st of January today. I've been to this location before. It's a little bit more open than a lot of the areas of the Blue Mountains, but it's also a little bit of a drizzly day today, a bit overcast, a bit rainy, but let's get out there and see what we can see. Okay, so just got back from that walk. I think we were probably about 2.5, maybe almost 3 hours on that walk. It was pretty good. It was pretty dark for photos and videoing, but hopefully there's some reasonable footage there for you. Overall, it was about 20 different species of birds we got to see, so a pretty good morning overall.